A new way of drinking. Thomas, drink it. Drink it. Oh, let him do it. Yep.
Here. Do it. There you go.
Ooh. This is his favorite outfit, by the way. Nothing in Nikes. Thomas, what you doing? Combing your hair?
There, now you look spiffy.
You gonna brush your hair? Comb your hair. No, not your teeth. Brush your hair.
Brush your hair. There. Brush your hair.
Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Brush Dad's hair. Brush Dad's hair. Oh.
Thank you.
Brush Dad's hair. Brush Thomas's hair. You gonna brush Dad's hair some more? Aww. Aww.